Words spill out like broken glass. In the silence we let time pass. Caught in stormy waves of thought. Together we are all we've got. We can whisper to the stars. Words ain't needed to heal our scars. In the hush we find our peace. Let the chattering cease. Let's shut up, let's shut up. In the quiet find our love. Hand in hand we'll disappear. In the silence we are clear. Noise fades like an old tattoo. In the stillness I find you. Echoes of a world so loud. In the quiet we stand proud. Mind to mind without the sound. In our silence we're unbound. Shutting up to feel the world. In the stillness love unfurled. Let's shut up, let's shut up. In the quiet find our love. Hand in hand we'll disappear. In the silence we are clear. Let's shut up, let's shut up. In the quiet find our love. Hand in hand we'll disappear. In the silence we are clear. Loops and loops in handmade ways, patterns of my soul they blaze. Crochet hook brings joy unplanned, sunshine blooms from every strand. Twisting wool my fingers dance, crafting dreams with every glance. Hobby that's my heart's delight, knitting love in morning light. Every stitch my heart it croons, colors bright as summer noons. With a yarn my soul it smiles, crochet joy in endless miles. Woven wonder stars they sing, in these threads pure happiness springs. Sun-kissed days and evenings soft, handmade skies where dreams take off.